Every day on campus is a new adventure, and I need something that keeps up with my busy life. That's where my PopBabies portable blender comes in, my secret weapon to kickstart a day full of energy, focus, and movement. Whether I'm blending a morning smoothie to fuel my study sessions or whipping up a hot coffee on those chilly early mornings, this blender has me covered. With its 250-watt motor and powerful lithium batteries, I can get 40-plus blends on a single charge, and even blend while it's charging. How cool is that? And it's not just about power, it's about convenience too. The detachable cup and blade make cleaning a breeze, and the anti-leak design means I can take it anywhere without worrying about spills. From shakes to salad dressings, even baby food for my little cousin, this blender does it all. It's more than just a kitchen gadget. It's the perfect companion for my university life. With PopBabies, I'm always ready to blend, sip, and go. And the best part? It's portable and compact, fitting right into my bag, so I'm never without a boost, whether I'm in the library, at the gym, or just relaxing with friends. The PopBabies portable blender isn't just part of my routine, it's the spark that makes every day a little brighter.
No one will ever find us if we're staying here, standing on the edge of something beautiful.